Anjali, what I would say is that if you were able to develop an application without raising any fund, actually kudos to you that you were able to do that. Uh, so the very first thing I would like to tell you about investment is that if you go to investors with just an idea, you are very least likely to get an investment. But if you go to them with a minimum viable product, then it's a good sign. But what you have done is you only don't have a minimum viable product, but you also have a working prototype as well, and you have tested it with the customers. So I believe it's the right time to go to investors and seek investment, because you really need to scale your app up, but you really need to market as well. So if you do not haven't raised any seed fund, I would definitely recommend you to raise funds for your startup now. I think it's a good time. If you have some money to bootstrap, then I would say that once you start getting revenue, and then if you seek for funding, then your valuation would be higher as well. But I suspect that you're talking about server cost, but it's not just about server cost, it's also about marketing as well. You could actually have 50,000 daily users or active users easily if you could have spent money on the marketing. But again, you don't have the money to spend on the marketing, but because you need money to develop the application, manage the application as well, and that's where investment comes in handy. So I would definitely recommend actually